Robotics IQX. World War II was not just the deadliest conflict in history, it was also a time of crazy out-of-this-world inventions. From exploding rats to bad bombs, nations devised some of the most bizarre weapons in a desperate bid to gain the upper hand. Today, we are uncovering the strangest weapons used in World War II, some of which you won't believe actually existed. First up, the Great Panjandrum. Imagine two massive wheels, strapped with explosives, rocketing toward enemy defenses. Sounds genius, right? Well, not quite. The British created this as a beach invasion weapon, but during tests, it spun out of control, nearly running over its own creators. Ever thought of using bats to bomb a city? The US sure did. These little creatures were equipped with mini bombs and released over enemy cities. The idea was they'd roost inside wooden buildings, igniting massive fires. Sounds effective, right? Unfortunately, during testing, the bats accidentally torched a US military base instead. What if you could shoot around corners without exposing yourself? The German army tried to make this a reality with the Krummlauf, a gun with a curved barrel. But there was one major problem: bullets shattered inside the barrel before even reaching the target. The British Secret Service had an unusual idea: stuffing dead rats with explosives and placing them near enemy boilers. The plan was when Nazi soldiers threw them into the fire, boom! Instant sabotage. The plan never went far, but the mere rumor of exploding rats made the Germans extremely cautious. Imagine bringing down planes using nothing but compressed air. The Germans developed the wind cannon, hoping to blast enemy aircraft out of the sky. But there was just one little problem: it was completely useless. The air pressure was too weak to cause real damage, and the project was abandoned. An aircraft carrier made of ice? The British actually attempted to build this giant floating fortress using a mix of ice and wood pulp called pykrete. While a prototype was built, it was ultimately too expensive and impractical to construct. From bat bombs to ice ships, World War II saw some of the weirdest military inventions in history. Some were deadly, some were disastrous, and some were just plain absurd. But one thing's for sure: war brings out extreme creativity. Which of these weapons do you think was the most bizarre? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more mind-blowing history videos. See you in the next one.